So once again, hello guys. In this video today we are solving our lead code problem number 3330, which is titled as find the original string typed string 1. So this is a easy question, but this is our free question. That's why we have to solve it. So let's focus what the question is. Say Alyssa is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. So So what the question is saying? Where? Okay, so this is our board. Here I write a summarized question. So Alice type a word, but due to a clumsy mistake, she might have accidentally held one key too long. Okay, so causing a character to repeat. This could have happened at most once time. मतलब only a single time that she can forgot. Mistakenly she skip that number, skip that character. Okay, so given we have a given a string word, we have to return the possible original string she could have meant to type. वो कितने strings को type कर सकती है? Okay, so let's focus on example. So this is first example that we have given. This is okay. So in this example, we have given a string word, and in this string we have some characters which is A, B, B, C, C, C. And first of all, if we focus on constant, so we have the word consists only the lower case English letter, which means only lower cases exist in this word input string. Okay, so and there is an explanation which is given. Okay, there is an explanation which is given in this question. What are the possible strings are? तो अपनी possible strings क्या क्या रहेंगी? This the original string. Okay, this is the original string. So this one. Okay, now we have, if we can notice, what's our next string is is here. The string is A, B, B, and triple C. Triple C means there are four C, but after it there are three C, which means C forgot one C to be typed from our original string. Okay, and then in the next string there is one more string is missing. There is three and there is two. Okay, now in the next string, in the next string, there is single C is left in our string. These three C's will removed, or C forgot to type these triple C. Okay, and in next string we can notice that there is A 4C, A and 4C, but not 2B. There is only single B, which means she forgot one B from here. So every time C forgot or skip one character from our original string, and how and we have to return that like 5. We have to return how many types C can write that string. Okay, so and so as we can notice that how many C's are here. Here is one, two, three, four. How many C's are here? Here are four C. Okay, okay. How many B's? How many B we have? B we have one B. Okay. Actually we have two B. Okay. And how many A? How many A we have? We have one A. So if we decrement all these by one, what we left? What we have left with? We have three, one, and zero. Okay. And if we sum of this, what we get? We get four. And because of this constraint, l- like what's the length of word? What's the length of word? What's the length of this word is starting with 1 to 100. includes of one, which means there is single character definitely exists in this word, in this input. Definitely one is already input. So at the end we have this. If we can say there is input word, and we have this string in that. Okay, so for a single time, see, this have to be written, this have to be as a original written like here. So we will start our answer that we increment after that those these stuff. We will start that from 1, the because constraint is starting from 1. Okay, that's why we have to return 1. So if we will 4 do 4 plus 1, what we get, we will get 5. And what's our output? And our output is also 5. Okay, so if we can take this example, example 2. Here what we have A, B, C, and D. We have A, we have B, we have C, and we have D. B A is 1, B is 1, and all C is 1, and D also 1. We have to decrement all these by 1 because of the pattern. They all are 0, and our count is starting from the 1. So we have to add 1 in this. So what we have left? We have left 1, and the output is 1. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to, if we have here, if we have 3 C's, then how many times she can write? She can write if she skip the last one. If we skip the last one, what we will get? We will get triple C. Okay, and our pointer will be 1. Okay, again she type and she forget this C. What we get? We left with 2 C's. Okay, so this will cut and 2. Okay, then again if she forget this C, then what we have left? We have 1 C. Cut this, get 3. Okay, again if she forget this also, this C also, but she can't actually, because for a single time she have to type, है ना? If we just assuming that she also forgot this one also, then what we get? 4. We get 4, है ना? What we get? 4. But we have to do what we have to decrement it by 1. Decrement it by 1, like here. Then what we will get? We will get 3. We are doing this because we don't have to we don't have to get this. If we can't decrement this by 1, these characters by 1, we will get up output in plus 1 condition. Here we will get the 6. That's why we are decrementing by 1 here. Okay, so now we will start code of this approach. Okay, so what I said, what I said, wait for a second. What I said, first of all, we take a variable name as total, which we will initialize by 1 because we have to initialize it from 1. Okay, this one, because the string constant are 1. Okay, in the return we will return this one. We will return this total actually. Okay, now taking one more variable n to store the length of this word if you want. Otherwise, you can do the same thing in a loop. But here I am expecting the length or getting the length from the word. Okay, now we are iterating a loop which is start from 1. Okay, which is start from 1 because at the end we already because at the end we already get the total from 1, which means for every one we have 1 here. For every single string we defaultly are taking our answer from 1. Okay, so that's why we are iterating this loop from 1. Okay, then we will reach to the end of the what I'm doing, end of the word string and I plus plus. Okay. Now giving a condition get out of I if I is total. So what we do here? What we do here? What we have? We have one. We have I with one. So here what we have? We will get here word of one. We will get A. Okay. We will get A. Oh no, actually, this is one. Actually, yeah, this is one. So what we get? We will get B. We are iterating with this A, B, B, and four times C. Okay. So here in at the beginning, caret of I, which means I is one. One, which means this is zero and this is one. This point and is this is this equal to the this I minus one. One minus one, which is zero, which is zero, which means this is these both are equal. So yes, these are not equal. Then what we do? We do nothing. We do nothing in total. We do nothing in our total. Our total will be one. Okay. Again, if we no, then next time our iteration will go one from one to two. Okay. So two, which means here is caret of I is equal to the word of I minus one. I minus one is belongs to here. Is these are equal? If these are equal, then what we will do? We will increment total by one. We first of all our total is one. Then we will increment total by one, which is two. Okay. Then we will iterate this loop at the end of this at the end of the word. In the end, we will get our answer in our total, and then we return that. Okay. So if I can test this, yes, our all case are satisfied. Now submit this code. Okay, so this is also submitted. If you want, then I will show you the complexity of this code. The code complexity must be log of big O of n. So okay, guys, this is how we solved our problem. So in the end, thanks for watching. If you found this problem interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also drop your solution or approach in the comment below. Until next time, keep coding and keep improving yourself. Thank you.